Job Corps gives you the skills you need to master life.
At Job Corps, they teach you those skills.
You can get a lot from Job Corps, but you need to work for it.
Careers begin at Job Corps. You want a career? Start building one at Job Corps.
Come to Job Corps showed me that I have way more options than I ever thought.
Job Corps helps you gain skills, but it also provides much more. The price of admission isn't money. It's the desire to succeed.
Oh yeah, you definitely have to work. You have to make sure you can't be lazy.
It's a big sense of responsibility and a big leap into adulthood.
If you're wondering free, what's the catch? There is no catch.
When you arrive, Job Corps instructors and advisors work with you on finding a career path.
You get hands-on experience, and so it makes everything more real.
And the instructors care about you.
They take their time for whoever wants to learn.
Your career path will depend on which industry and training area you choose to pursue.
I love getting my hands dirty, so I chose plumbing.
I'm studying CNA on my way to becoming a registered nurse.
I'm currently studying to become a pharmacy technician.
Job Corps offers training options in high-demand industries like healthcare, information technology, and manufacturing.
Studying computer tech.
I'm studying welding.
I'm studying office administration.
I'm studying to be an auto mechanic.
At Job Corps, you get one-on-one training that allows you to learn at your own pace. If you excel, you may be able to take advanced training courses and get an even bigger jump on the job market.
I got my Microsoft certifications here.
Now that I'm in the trade and I'm getting more hands-on and learning more about what I'm gonna do with my future, it's definitely fulfilling.
Through Job Corps' partnerships with education programs and community colleges, you can earn credits toward a college degree. You can even finish your high school education if you need to.
Job Corps gave me the opportunity to be able to go to college and put my best foot forward.
I finished my high school at Job Corps.
Job Corps is a great program for people who've never had these kind of opportunities. From ages 16 to 24, you get to focus on school, and that's it.
Job Corps rewards work.
And they give you a place to stay and feed you while you're doing it.
While in Job Corps, basic needs like housing, meals, and medical care are provided. This helps students to be able to focus more on learning and reaching career goals.
You're away from your family, but at the same time, you're here for a reason.
I'm here for my career, and being here on center, it allows me to focus on that.
You can become an active part of the center and contribute positively to your community. You'll practice important life skills like following rules and having your own responsibilities.
You have to work hard. It's a test of your work ethic.
I learned how to be a great team leader, and I learned how to perfect my communication skills.
Job Corps opens options to you. As a Job Corps graduate, you'll be on a career pathway. Job Corps students can tell you it's for real.
They help you find a job. I just finished studying carpentry, and I already have a job lined up.
Job Corps turned my life around because it made me more responsible and to think about my future.
You're now in a position where it's only you and you choose to be the person you want to be.
If you want to prepare yourself for a real career with real earning potential, find out more about Job Corps.
You come in not knowing what to expect, but you leave taking things out that are going to stick with you for the rest of your life.
When they say careers begin here, it's true.
My career began here.
It's true.
Job Corps.
Job Corps.
Job Corps.
Careers begin here.